everyone, this is Gautam from ForthFocus group. In today's video, let's discuss about how to install WordPress in less than 1 or 2 minutes of time. So to install WordPress, the traditional method followed is you need to go to the WordPress.org website, download their package, and once the downloading is done, you have to go back to your server, install, upload those packages, extract them, create a matching database, create a matching table, make the configuration in wp-config.php file. So for a beginner it will be totally a hectic thing. Is it possible to install WordPress in 1 or 2 clicks, less hassles, more comfortably? Yes, there is a way. Let's discuss about that now. So yes, let's get started. Firstly, I'm logging into my shared servers cPanel now. This is my shared servers control panel page. The ID and password is auto-filled, so I'm just clicking on login button. Login is successful. It has been redirected to the control panel's homepage. And the first option I'm seeing here is ForthFocus apps installer. This is what I was talking about. Using the help of ForthFocus apps installer, we can install WordPress to our server in less than 1 or 2 minutes of time. So let's begin now. I'm clicking on WordPress. We get a brief description about WordPress. WordPress is a web software you can use to create beautiful websites or blogs. Clicking on install now button. Here it will ask us to fill some brief information about the proposed installation. So let's fill it up now. Software setup. It is asking us to fill the protocol. If you have already purchased a SSL certificate and you have already installed it in your web server, then select the option HTTPS. If not, or if you don't have any idea regarding what it is about, don't enter anything, just keep it simple, keep the default option itself, and it will ask us to choose the domain. I've already added lots of domains in the shared server. I'm just selecting my domain itself, virginara.com, and it will ask us to enter the directory name, like on which directory should the WordPress be installed. So if you want the WordPress to be installed in any specific directories, you can see here the description is self-explanatory. You can enter that directory's name here, or else if you keep it blank or if you remove the thing which is entered there, the WordPress will be installed on the main domain itself. But in my case, dear friends, I've already installed and there is already a live site running on virginara.com. So doing that again will cause problems. So what I will do is, for this demo purpose, I'm installing the WordPress in some other directory, say it is test. Now let's enter the site name, test site. Description: this is a test site. If you want the multi-site option to be enabled, click this button, or else leave it simple. Again, we have the description here, which is almost self-explanatory. Then the next part is admin account details. Just enter the admin ID and password and email IDs which you want to be. I'll enter test admin and I'll keep the password as test admin itself. Make sure you copy this ID password and keep it in a safe place so that you will be needing it in the future purpose. Let the email ID be same. The language, let it be English itself. And loginizer. To protect your site against brute force attacks caused, you just enable this option so that it will prevent the site from being vulnerable to attacks initially. Let's go to the advanced option. Here it will ask us to enter the database name and table prefix. I'll add it as testdb and the table as tstdb. You can enter anything, but make sure that you will remember the name and you can identify it later, so that this table and database belongs to this WordPress itself. I do not recommend clicking on any of these three options what we see here: auto upgrade of themes, plugins, and auto upgrade of WordPress. It is recommended that we need to do it manually in the dashboard of the WordPress. And regarding the automated backup option, it is very good and it is highly recommended actually. I always take a backup of the WordPress website once in a day, so I highly recommend the same. So to be on the safer side, it is always recommended to take the backup of the site. Let the backup rotation be one itself, or you can choose it as two also, so that the software automatically takes the backup of your WordPress every day and keeps it in a backup directory, so that if anything happens to your existing WordPress site, so that you need not worry. You can just take the backup and restore and get the site live. Last but not least, we have another option: email installation details too. If you want the whole installation process and the things you have typed here to be emailed to any of your email IDs, you can enter it. Or else the last option is install. So it will hardly take less than 30 seconds of time. So data will be submitted, database and table will be created, and everything will be assigned, and you will be provided with a link to log into your dashboard. Everything. Hooray, yes, it is done. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully and it has provided us the link. Here is the administrative URL. Let me open it in the new tab and see if the site is live and running or not. Hooray, done! We have successfully installed WordPress to our server using the SoftFocus software installer in less than 1 or 2 minutes of time. Thanks for watching this video. I'm hoping to make some more videos on WordPress and other technical stuffs. Do let me know if you have any suggestions, comments, or if you have any doubts regarding WordPress, or if you have any request for me to make some more videos on topic related to WordPress and all. I'll promise you that I'll make sure I look into those things and I'll work on them as soon as possible. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you soon. Have some nice time.